Hi friends, welcome back to SEKHAR'S English. Keep learning, keep practicing, the secret of success. In this video, we are going to deal with present perfect continuous tense. You know that we have already published 3 videos on present tense. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense. In case you have not watched 3 videos so far, nothing to worry. Here are the links given below in the description. Just click on the links and watch them. Let's see how our friends perform. Come on.
Friends, the present perfect continuous tense can be used for an activity that has recently stopped or just stopped. Here, there is a connection with now. I mean, there is a connection between the activity and the present situation. For this, the structure is has or have been plus V1 ing. If the subject is singular, we use has. If the subject is plural, we use have. But I is a special case. Even it is a singular, it is followed by have. For example,
Hey, you are out of breath. Have you been running?
yes. Friends, here the girl is not running. She has just stopped running. Now at the moment, she is out of breath and she is tired. But there is a connection between her running and her out of breath. In such cases, we can say she has been running. See some more examples.
She is very tired. She has been working very hard for her 7 exams. Your clothes are so dirty. What have you been doing?
Friends, present perfect tense can also be used for an activity that started in the past and is still continuing in the present. It is also referred to as the present perfect progressive tense, as the action progresses from past to the present. For example, it has been raining for 3 hours. Here, it started raining at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Now it is 5 o'clock. It's still raining. In such cases, we can say it has been raining for 3 hours or it has been raining since 2 o'clock.
Hi, I have been living in Rayakuduru since I was born.
Hi.
Hi.
Which class are you in?
I am in 10th class.
How long have you been here?
I have been here since 6th class.
She has been meditating for an hour.
She has been preparing for an examination for an hour.
Excuse me, how long have you been waiting for the bus? We have been waiting for the bus for 20 minutes.
Friends, we have tried our level best to show how this present perfect continuous tense is used in our daily life. And please don't forget to post your sentences and comments below. And we are always ready to learn a new thing. So please share your ideas with us. This is your Tejasvi signing off from SEKHAR'S English. Bye bye.